Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers. Yay! Welcome to Amafans on TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Sikukune 2, Mamelodi Sundowns 4. I'm joined by Ubafana.
Stibos. Hayi ngathi mina good night against abantu abangasifuni ukuthi siwine. Abahambolala balale ngoqolo futhi. It's not I'm not a fight against njengoba balwa nathi. Kodwa this name meaning ukuthi phuma and phuma silwe. So mongakwazi uzophuma nje uvese ikhanda uzoshayeka. Iphuma silwe le phuma. Yeah. So into enzoyisho guys. Hayi mfowethu laba manayi. Ungezwe ubaba bakhona ngokwabana bethukile. Ngeke sihlule ingane zakho ubaba wakho nasemklingile. You know. Angifuni futhi debate about that thing. But now enzosho nje guys ngisazo repeater futhi uthi ama leaders wathi ne football. Fanele barane ifootball ngendlela right. Sukwazi ukuthi be inkhwali njengoba sikhuluma singathi debate ne sidebate ngobunandi. Ngoba sidebate not ukuthi we are fighting. Sidebate ngesizwe imnandi ukuthi ubuntu into emnandi iqhamuka from kuphi our leaders. Our leaders need ukuthi bapush ifootball yethu be right. Yabona manje ayasalela ama team amanye ngendaba ukuthi into iqala sase early bangakwazi ukuyilungisa. Abalungisa ama problem umlilo basabazi usavutha kancane. Ungalindi uzobe mkhulu. Inkazo ucisha because uzoshoda ngamanzi. Akucishe inkinga lezi PSL bafuthu ukuthi njenga umama Mchize nje ngisho na last ngishilo ukuthi inkinga sama team azilungiswe ama leaders wethu ama CEO of PSL whatever asizameni ukuthi sibuyise ifootball lethu ibe right singavumele abanye abantu from outside bazolungisa ibhola lethu because singabe bophopayi singabe nje ama blowers oshiswe ilanga aphele manje fanele ukuthi masiwa isingama leaders sazi ukuthi siphethwe ama leaders wethu arane is a good way our football or maybe country football run is a good way so kwazi ukuthi ngoba sithempele kubona bangathi bangama leaders but in the same times benza thina sicabane sodwa so ngiyathemba ukuthi yonke lento bazo resolve izoba ngendlela right
abakulalele
basilalele bafowethu not ukuthi siyalwa but guys thina singama supporters si share something masihlangane sisodwa ezindaba esihlangana khona so sifuna ukuthi sihlangane si share izinto ngendlela right ngokujabula futhi njobo mfowethu nje uyabona manje ugoqa izandla ama-points ayavaleka bavulula izandla
ama-points ayavaleka
ama-points ayavaleka and then ngifuna ukuphinda futhi iPirates ina 4 games in hand ngeke idonse le
angeke ithole nix
ngeke idonse lena mamela manje mamela uyathi mamela baminyile bathi chips
Sibo bengazi ukuthi sesinaba prophet bama 3 points sesinaba prophet manje ukuthi angeke seba prophet abo ukuthi Pirates izoperforma kanjani
wena uprofita kanjani
I didn't know ukuthi fortune teller
mamela
bengazi ukuthi sesinama fortune teller naba prophet
profeta kanjani
vula gate drive
angabuza umbuzo phezulu ngombuzo wangangiphendula
manje ngibuza mamela kumprofit ngoba into ezokwenzakalala ngapha ama players mamela Thibos ubani azokhava i4 games in a row manje ama player we Pirates already now we are tired bakhathele kwabona manje siya ku CAF sine Nedbank sine league iBetway elizoba bhetela nje ubu iBetway kanje izoba bhetela bayosala endleleni asihambe nentambo thina ingana value uyothi masicala sithi adonsa moto asihambe inqamuke isala endleleni you are going to die now
bakhathela botito
bakhathele ambulance iphele petrol mfowethu uyosala lapha ngeke ifike nase Johannesburg from Tembisa mamela ukuthi kule 4 games bathi banayo ezandleni boyithatha
uTito bamthanda kabi bamthanda kabi sebazi nokuthi kukhathele neambulance sebazi nokuthi iphelele ipetrol iyovuke abayazi le ambulance le dangerous mfethu iyovukela beka mabethi baloku bathi khathele le ambulance baloku bathi khathele bayisukela wabe lokhu bacula ngayo mayikhathele initulelani ngeambulance ekhathele
mamela thina
ikhathele mara yahlukumeza le ambulance ngoba niyayithuka le ambulance ikhathele niyayithuka nibiza ngabufuseki nibiza ngani nicula ngayo even nala sisuka khona bathi GNU
khuluma
besuka
khuluma kuphi
niyazi
kule 4-1 khuluma ngayo
no i4-1 angeke
enzosha guys ukuthi okay thina singama supporters asiyeke ukuqula ingoma ezine sihamba phakathi njengoba sikhuluma bafowethu kodwa so sorry Tito kodwa hayi ambulance iyastaka manje.
Khale bafana nthuba apologize for Tito nthuba bayibona reba.
Hayi sikaba
Apologize.
sikaba arrogant.
Arrogant.
You arrogant. Mawuri khale wena apologize. Hey Thibo sizomcima lo. Hey wo iyabheka makethi khale ba apologize ithi. Yena tshwanetse ra khupele tshware because asintwe right. Wabona. Ngoba ngathi nathi bayasiprovoke angithi. Basichukuluza manje thina kusithi abantu bethu bafuna vele silwe kanti asilwe uyangithola. Ngeke size sithi Ribeiro Futek or Ribeiro what uyangithola simbize ngenhlamba akusiyithi labo bantu bashayile for1 asilwanga asithini siphumile kodwa sekuyibo futhi abalwayo nisidla kanjani niphinde nilwe nisithuke la
Trapa futhi ko la ndo.
bheka okay asiyiphika induku sharp nisinikile le 4 uyangithola ama 4x4 ayalandelana uyangithola nisinikile le nduku nisithukelana shoot the ambulance yabakhatha
Mamela guys.
Good question.
Good
question.
Mamela chief.
Good question.
Mamela chief ngithe mina yabona aba 4x4 sine range
Amaroko.
iPirates la. Amarok iRose. And then ilokuza iTest Galaxy. Kube iSuzu. And then manenge lama 4x5 bela vele ngoba iya promote ama company ya kuzoba bu J6 angazi so sifuna ukuthi bahlala bazi ukuthi iyadonora neSundowns and ngicela ukuthi wonke ama supporters ingeyi1 siye ne stadium socula bave njengoba luwe angebe
hayi noma bangabe kumemezela kanjani Sundowns ngesupporter
Mara amapile Sibo nakuyamakala motho ke le pakanya o kena taba tsa rona za Chiefs o kena ha motsotsi
Ara never let the stadium.
Mamela Thibos
kiri online branch
no reshabore online
Thibos manje into efanele siyifanele guys lana abafowethu kufanele silungise indaba amathikithi asilungise indaba amathikithi
uthi kuhlaba inkomo angeke beze
asilungise indaba amathikithi
sicayuliswa iOrlando Pirates neKaizer Chiefs
asilungise indaba amathikithi indaba ukuthi kunabantu bathenga amathikithi abantu bangakwazi akwazi guys ukuthi umuntu usuka eprovincini somewhere maybe distance ezobukela igame yeSundowns or Pirates whatever and lento la I remember ukuthi yaqala eThekwini between iPirates neSundowns is a cup final so yezakele futhi FNB kwenzakala manje futhi bathi ticket just only 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock amathikithi abasekho people but you run I mean you come from D5 province beza kude to ukuthi bazowasha bazobheka igame yeSundowns neKaizer Chiefs but don't find the ticket guys phela ama-ticket what's happening kwenzakalani guys sicela ukuthi sikhulumeni njengoba sisho ukuthi ama-leaders wethu sike sicaciseni guys ukuthi singayilungisa kanjani le problem ukuthi sifuna ama-ticket but 30 minutes ama-ticket
bazowazela ukuthi ama-ticket ayapi ngoba basupport abeza sigcwala bheka bazowazela
no lento sikhuluma serious guys khuluma serious ngaphandle ukuthi asidlali lento ngisho kasidlali ngoba iFNB last time bekade igcwele but sifuna ukuthi abantu bangaphakathi estadium abanama-ticket abantu banama-ticket bangaphandle so into issue serious fanele sikhulumele about our football
another day of witnessing positive results from Mamelodi Sundowns Rava and Fuji. Everybody 24 points.
Damn. Yo.